Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. In this video, I'm just going to run through 3 items that I took with me on the Camino that I didn't use. Now, I'm not including here first aid because that's something that you hope never to use, but these are items I took with me thinking I would use them, but in the end I didn't.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
So the first item that I took all the way on the Camino, but I didn't use, was a hook. Now, 2 things. First of all, I couldn't find a reasonably priced hook of any sort online, so I decided to make my own out of a bit of wire. It does work. It does hold up to about 2 kilograms I tested it at. So this would go over a door and then you're hanging something, and that's really good. But actually, I only used it twice. The first time was really just to make a point, and that was after the end of day 1. The second time, it didn't really work. So for me, really the only time I needed a hook was when I was in a shower block. And I actually used my sit pad and put the items on the sit pad, and that worked perfectly well. And it was absolutely fine. So I did take advice from quite a lot of people online. I did take a hook with me, didn't use it. Now obviously it weighs absolutely nothing, so it doesn't actually make a lot of difference in terms of weight, but it's a general principle. Did I need a hook? No. So I didn't need to take one. The second item that I carried the whole way on the Camino, but didn't make much use of, is in our washing kit. Now, we did take quite a number of pegs, and yes, they are useful. But we also took a washing line, and we never used it. Every albergue or place that we stayed in had a place to wash your clothes, and they all had places to hang your washing from. Now, maybe it was in a communal area and people don't want to do that and they want to hang it near their bed, fine. But we didn't think it was necessary, and we didn't really use it. The time of the year we went, it was fairly hot, so things dried very, very quickly. But the second item that we took with us that we didn't use was a washing line. The third item that I took on the Camino that I never used are some wet wipes. Now, in previous videos I have mentioned this. Part of my foot routine is to clean my feet at the end of each day and let them dry overnight. Well, 2 things. First of all, these wet wipes, it's actually quite difficult to get hold of a small quantity, a travel quantity. You generally pay over the top to get them, rather than buying from a supermarket a package that is for people who've got babies and nappies and everything, and they need some wipes, and you get 500 of them. To find a small one is a bit more expensive, so it's difficult to find them. But the second thing was, every single day I was able to have a shower and wash my feet, so there was no need for my wet wipes, and that was it. So there we have it. 3 items I took with me on the Camino that I didn't really use. Doesn't mean you won't use them, but I didn't use them. A hook, even though it's a homemade one, out of wire, which you can bend any way you like. A washing line. So there are loads of places to hang your washing. We didn't need our washing line. And finally, my wet wipes to help clean my feet. Didn't need them because there was a shower every day. So just proves, even if you think you know what you should take with you, you don't always. There's no right or wrong. I just took those items, didn't need them, they didn't weigh much. But hopefully it's some information for you.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.